Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Are you ready to witness the next evolution of Leica's legendary Q series? The highly anticipated Leica Q4 is on the horizon, and it promises to revolutionize the compact camera experience by addressing the biggest challenges faced by users of previous models. But what exactly prompted Leica to develop the Q4? And what major improvements are coming to this premium compact camera? Stay with us as we dive deep into the journey of the Leica Q series, uncover its shortcomings, and explore how the Q4 is set to redefine high-end photography. The evolution of the Leica Q series. Leica has long been synonymous with luxury, precision engineering, and impeccable craftsmanship. The Q series embodies this legacy, offering a perfect blend of compact design and high-end performance. However, no product is without its challenges. With the Leica Q4, Leica aims to refine and elevate the experience, learning from the feedback of dedicated users and pushing the boundaries of what a compact full-frame digital camera can achieve. From the moment the original Leica Q debuted, it captivated photographers who sought an exceptional balance of simplicity and power. Its successor, the Leica Q2, took things up a notch, introducing a high-resolution 47.3 MP sensor, weather sealing, and an improved UI, making it a top choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The Leica Q3 built upon this with superior image processing, faster autofocus, and refined ergonomics. Yet, despite these upgrades, some persistent issues continue to affect the user experience. Persistent issues with the Leica Q series. While the Leica Q cameras have offered exceptional image quality, there were several recurring pain points that users hoped Leica would address in the next iteration. Let's explore these in detail. Autofocus speed and accuracy. One of the most common criticisms of the Leica Q2 and Q3 was their autofocus performance. When compared to competitors like Sony, Canon, and Nikon mirrorless cameras, the Q series struggled in fast-paced photography scenarios. Street photographers, event shooters, and action enthusiasts often found it challenging to capture fleeting moments due to slower autofocus speeds. Imagine trying to photograph a dynamic street scene, a fleeting expression, or a fast-moving subject, only to miss the shot due to sluggish autofocus. Many users felt that Leica's Contrast Detect AF was not on par with modern phase detection autofocus systems used in competing brands. Battery life concerns. Battery performance has also been a major concern. While the Leica Q2 delivered stunning image quality, its battery often failed to keep up with the demands of professional and travel photographers. For those on all-day shoots, travel expeditions, or documentary projects, having to constantly swap batteries was a frustrating limitation. Outdated video capabilities. Although Leica cameras are primarily renowned for their photographic excellence, their video features have lagged behind industry standards. The absence of 4K at 60 frames per second, advanced color grading options, and improved stabilization made the Q series less appealing to hybrid creators who needed both high-quality stills and cinematic video. Slow wireless connectivity. In today's fast-paced digital world, seamless wireless connectivity is essential. Users have long complained about sluggish Wi-Fi transfer speeds and limited mobile app integration in previous Q models. In an era where instant sharing is key, slow transfers hinder workflow efficiency, making the process of moving images from camera to smartphone unnecessarily tedious. How the Leica Q4 is fixing these issues. Leica appears to have taken these criticisms seriously, and the rumored Leica Q4 is expected to introduce significant upgrades that could make it a game-changer in the premium compact camera market. Cutting-edge autofocus system. The Leica Q4 is expected to feature an advanced phase detection autofocus system, ensuring quicker and more accurate focusing. This is a huge leap forward, allowing photographers to effortlessly capture fast-moving subjects with precision. From street photography to wildlife and sports, PDAF could completely transform the shooting experience. Enhanced battery efficiency. Battery performance is another area where the Q4 is expected to improve. Rumors suggest that Leica is incorporating a larger, more power-efficient battery, allowing photographers to shoot for extended periods without interruptions. This upgrade would be particularly beneficial for travel photographers, journalists, and event shooters who need reliable power throughout the day. Next-level video performance. One of the most exciting updates is the introduction of 4K video recording at 60 frames per second, bringing Leica's video capabilities in line with industry standards. This enhancement makes the Q4 a more viable option for content creators, vloggers, and hybrid shooters who demand both superior stills and cinematic video quality. With smoother motion capture, improved dynamic range, and better color science, the Q4 could attract a whole new segment of creators looking for a compact yet powerful multimedia tool. Faster wireless connectivity and sharing. To address workflow inefficiencies, the Leica Q4 is rumored to feature upgraded wireless connectivity, offering faster transfer speeds and improved app integration. This will allow photographers to instantly share their work on social media or seamlessly transfer raw files to their editing software without frustrating delays. A new era for the Leica Q series. The Leica Q4 is shaping up to be more than just a minor upgrade. It's a bold statement from Leica that they are serious about staying ahead in the premium compact camera segment. By addressing key challenges such as autofocus speed, battery life, video performance, and wireless connectivity, Leica is positioning the Q4 as a true hybrid tool for modern photographers and content creators. Expectations are sky-high as excitement builds around the Q4's rumored launch. If Leica successfully implements these enhancements, the Q4 could redefine what's possible in a compact full-frame camera, delivering an unparalleled blend of tradition and innovation. Final thoughts. Is the Leica Q4 the ultimate compact camera? What do you think about the rumored features of the Leica Q4? Are these upgrades enough to make it the best compact camera of 2025? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.